We love cars, the thrill of the open road, the wind in your hair. But let's be honest, sometimes you want more than just a car. Imagine this, a luxury apartment. On wheels. That's right, we're talking kitchens, bedrooms, even bathrooms all inside your vehicle. No more dodgy roadside dinners or uncomfortable nights in sleeping bags. Welcome to the world of ultimate automotive luxury. Forget cramped caravans and tents. We're talking about serious luxury and convenience. Get ready to explore the most incredible vehicles designed for living large on the open road. Fasten your seatbelts. Things are about to get interesting. First up, the Vario Mobile Signature Supreme. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a palace on wheels, designed to offer the utmost in comfort and luxury. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, this beast means business, combining power and elegance seamlessly. Imagine a full-size kitchen with a refrigerator, oven, and even a dishwasher. It's like having a gourmet kitchen on the go. No more washing dishes on your holiday, mate. Just load them up and relax. The living room is straight out of a luxury apartment, offering a cozy, yet sophisticated space to unwind. Think plush leather sofas, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views. It's like bringing your living room with you, and wait for it. It even has a garage. Yes, a garage in a motorhome. Yes, you can bring your sports car along for the ride. Imagine the convenience and style. Talk about traveling in style. Every journey becomes an adventure in luxury. The Vario Mobile Signature Supreme is the ultimate choice for those who want it all. From comfort to convenience, it leaves nothing to be desired. Next, we have the Earthroamer X-Teen HD, built for the adventurous soul. This go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle is perfect for exploring off the beaten path. Don't let the rugged exterior fool you. Inside, it's pure luxury. The Earthroamer X-Teen HD features a full kitchen, a comfortable bedroom, and a spa-style bathroom. Solar panels and a water filtration system mean you can stay off-grid for extended periods. Explore the wilderness without sacrificing comfort. This beast is built on a Ford F750 chassis and boasts impressive off-road capabilities. It's truly a home away from home for adventurers and nature lovers. Go on, get out there and explore. Section 4. Living large on the open road. These vehicles aren't just about luxury, they're about freedom. The freedom to explore new places, to take the road less traveled, and to do it all in style and comfort. Imagine waking up to a different view every morning. One day it could be a serene lakeside, the next, a majestic mountain range. Cooking breakfast in your fully equipped kitchen. With all the modern appliances at your fingertips, you can whip up a gourmet meal just like at home. Relaxing in your living room with panoramic views. Imagine lounging on a comfortable sofa watching your favorite show with nature's beauty just outside your window. No more hotel bookings, no more restaurant meals, no more packing and unpacking. Everything you need is right there with you, making travel simpler and more enjoyable. It's just you, the open road, and everything you need to enjoy it. The journey becomes as enjoyable as the destination. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, these vehicles can make your journeys unforgettable. They offer the perfect blend of adventure and comfort. These vehicles offer a level of comfort and convenience that traditional travel just can't match. From spacious interiors to state-of-the-art amenities, they redefine what it means to travel. It's about experiencing the world on your own terms, in your own time. Sounds good, doesn't it? With a luxury motorhome, every journey is a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Section 5. More than just a vehicle. These vehicles are more than just cars or buses, they're a lifestyle. They offer a unique way to experience the world, blending the comforts of home with the thrill of the open road. They represent freedom, adventure, and the ability to live life to the fullest. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family, these vehicles cater to all your needs. They allow you to explore the world in comfort and style. Imagine waking up to a new view every day, from mountains to beaches, all from the comfort of your own space. Imagine traveling with your family, pets, or even your mates. The joy of sharing these experiences with loved ones is unparalleled, creating memories that will last a lifetime. From campfire stories to shared meals, every moment becomes a cherished memory. These vehicles make it all possible. With state-of-the-art amenities, you won't miss the comforts of home. They allow you to share your love of travel with the people you care about most. Every journey becomes a shared adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start exploring. The open road is calling and endless adventures await. The world is your oyster. With every turn, a new discovery awaits, making each trip a unique experience. And with a vehicle like this, you'll have everything you need to savor every moment. From gourmet kitchens to cozy bedrooms, every detail is designed for your comfort. Section 6, your dream road trip awaits. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of one of these incredible machines. The open road stretches before you, beckoning you to explore. Where would you go? What would you see? The possibilities are endless. Whether you dream of a cross-country adventure or a leisurely tour of Europe, these vehicles can make it happen. So, start planning your dream road trip today. Adventure awaits.